Another day, another dollar. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I took a sell trade on VIX 50 index, which I shared the sell signal to my VP members. We've backed good profit on this sell trade. Over 80% of my sell positions closed in profit with my stop loss below my entry, which I got few positions running up. I caught the sells at this point, the level of 314.7501. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this level? What was my view and analysis on this index? How was I able to predict the sales on VIX 50 index? Analyzing from a higher time frame, the daily time frame, you can see this index has been bullish for some time now, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. Whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look after the opportunities, I analyze starting from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly or the monthly time frame. So I analyze starting from the daily time frame on this analysis. So I spotted the market's direction, the market's trend, the current market's trend, and it's clear this index has been bullish. When we look closely, when we zoom into the chart, you can see in this area, this index has been consolidating. We've got no major move, which is a sign that we could see this index drop to the downside. We could get a decline in price value. Having that this index has been bullish for some time, this index has been in an uptrend, we could see price drop to the downside. And also have a bullish order block, a bearish order block, sorry, on this zone on the daily time frame, which I expect price to drop from. I expect the sales from this area to the downside. And when we zoom out on the chart, we'll see that the current price level, the point where price is on the daily time frame, is a historical level, a level that market has been selling from. Seeing these past moves, we got price sell on this level as a resistance, got the sales to the downside, price dropped here the first time, got the second sales here resistance, which we got a bearish order block formation on. And on the approach of this level the third time, I expect this index to drop, but the market came with a fake breakout. Like we saw the bulls break past this level, trying to fake out the buyers in the market, while the sellers came into the market to push price back to the downside, respecting this zone, respecting this level, the level of 315.9189. So I expect price to drop to the downside, but we have some zones which you have to acknowledge on getting the sell to the downside on the daily time frame, levels that markets could react on, levels we could get rejections on. So we have one of those major levels here, the level of 295.4692 is a level that we got a bullish order block on. So if you can see price drop to the downside, we have possibilities of getting a buy move from this level. This index is too bullish, let's have that in mind. The sells I'm taking right now is just like a retracement, a corrective sell move on this index, which I expect price to drop into this level. And this level basically is a level that market has been reacting on, a level that has been expected by price. Getting these rejections here, price dropped as a resistance the second time, got the buys here, support, price pushed up, got the sells here, resistance, market dropped, price dropped, support. So we have high possibilities, high probability of getting price buy on this same level, on the approach of this level as a support. So that's for the daily time frame target level on the sell. So the point where I expect price to sell to in the coming days and weeks and hours, let me say days and hours basically, is this level, the zone of 300 and the zone of 295.4692. Yeah, so that's for the time frame projection on this index. So on the forward time frame, getting my sell entries, because I had the sell expectations, I spotted the bearish structure, which market was creating lower highs and lower lows formation. Having the first highs here, price dropped, having the second highs a lower high, and having the third highs a lower high. So seeing these three lower highs formation, I knew that the sellers were in the market, and this is a bearish structure basically. So we could see price drop to the downside in the coming hours and minutes basically. And we also got lower lows formation here, having the first lows and the second lows. Let's spot our trend resistance level. So this is a bearish structure, a mini downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, which I took advantage of. So on this sell level, a level we've got past reactions on, getting the sell resistance, price bought support here, we got a bearish order block, which I was like, if we can get a retest of this zone, I'll be taking the sales on this index. You can see how the level looks clearly on the 1-hour time frame, a clear reaction on this zone. I also got a bearish order block on this same area, the level of 315.9189. Yeah, got a bearish order block. So on the retest of this bearish order block, I sold this index. And getting more confirmations on my sell zone, I brought up the Fibonacci retracement to on the 15 minutes time frame, placing it on the recent swing highs and dragging down to the recent swing lows. And we can see that the 61.8 fib level is in line with our sell area. The 61.8 fib level is the most accurate and most expected fib retracement level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So on the retest of this zone, I sold this index, which I expected the sells on this level basically. And on the 15 minutes time frame, we also got a bearish structure, which market was creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So the market was just presenting bearish formations, which is a good confirmation to getting the sells on this index. We got lower lows here, lower highs basically, and lower lows at this point, having the first low, the second low here, a lower low, and the third low at this point, a lower low. So the market's dropping from this level is a result of this bearish structure we got and my marked out zone, this area here. So more sales expected on this index. We could see this index drop further, at least price dropping to these lows, this last lows in the coming minutes and hours. So I'm very much safe in this trade because my stop loss is below my entry. I've bagged over $300 profit on this sell trade, which I got few positions running up, and my stop loss is below my entry. So that's how I was able to take the sell trade on this index, and the signal was shared to my VIP members. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals. Message in my admin, username is dropped, my public Telegram channel, and also don't miss out on the high probability trade setups I drop on my channel. Link to joining my Telegram channel is in this video description and on my YouTube channel page. So that's it guys, that's how I sold VIX 50 index, and more sales expected. At least we could see price dropping to this level, sell to this daily time frame level in the coming days. Let's have in mind that this index is too bullish, so the sales is just a short-term sell move, a corrective sell, a retracement to a zone, but we still have strong possible buy zones. So this would be my exit point on these sells for my day trading target level, the level of 310.6960. So for more trade reviews, like and market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engaging in my videos. It means a lot guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.